Hey everyone, are you one of those people who hits the snooze button one too many times, only to find you have zero time for breakfast? I feel you. Rushing out the door on an empty stomach can really throw off your whole day. But what if I told you that you could have a delicious, healthy, and incredibly satisfying breakfast waiting for you the moment you wake up? No cooking, no mess, no stress. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 amazing overnight oats recipes. They are a total game changer, and honestly, they're so good you'll feel like you're eating dessert for breakfast. First up, we're making a timeless classic that never disappoints: banana peanut butter. This one is for all the creamy, dreamy breakfast lovers. Grab a mason jar or any container with a lid. We'll start with our base, half a cup of rolled oats. Oats are fantastic because they're packed with fiber, which keeps you full and energized all morning. Now add half a cup of your favorite milk. Dairy, almond, oat, whatever you like. For that rich, nutty flavor, we'll add a generous tablespoon of peanut butter. Look for one with minimal added sugar for a healthier option. Next, we'll slice up half a banana. The riper the banana, the sweeter your oats will be. Finally, for a little boost of nutrients, add a tablespoon of chia seeds. These little guys are incredible. They'll soak up the liquid and give your oats that perfect, thick, pudding-like consistency. Now, just give it all a good stir, making sure everything is well combined. Pop the lid on, put it in the fridge, and that's it. Next on our list is a recipe that's bright, tangy, and bursting with freshness: berry yogurt delight. This one is like a little jar of sunshine. Again, we'll start with half a cup of rolled oats in our jar. But this time, instead of just milk, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk and a big scoop of Greek yogurt. The yogurt adds a lovely tanginess and a fantastic protein punch. Then, we'll toss in a handful of mixed berries. I love using frozen berries because as they thaw overnight, they release all their delicious juices, naturally sweetening and flavoring the oats. A little drizzle of honey or maple syrup is perfect if you like it a bit sweeter. Give it a gentle mix, being careful not to completely mash the berries. We want those whole fruit pieces in there. Put the lid on, and into the fridge it goes, right next to its friend. Last, but certainly not least, for all my fellow chocolate lovers, this one is pure bliss: the double chocolate dream. It's rich, it's decadent, and it's actually good for you. You know the drill. Half a cup of oats into the jar. Then add half a cup of milk. Now for the magic. Add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor. To sweeten it up, we'll add a splash of maple syrup. And because we're making a double chocolate dream, let's sprinkle in some dark chocolate chips or shavings. They'll soften up just a little, creating these amazing little pockets of melted chocolate throughout your oats. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, chocolatey mixture. Seal it up and let the fridge do the rest of the work. And there you have it: 3 incredible breakfast options, all prepped in under 5 minutes. When you wake up, just grab a jar, give it a quick stir, and if you're feeling fancy, add some fresh toppings like more fruit, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Breakfast is served. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you give these a try. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. See you next time.